Hey dudes, and welcome to Codeboosh. This is the first in a series of videos inspired by my nephew Charlie, where we will learn to code Minecraft using the programming language Python. Python is a super versatile programming language that can be used for a variety of purposes. It's used by scientists as it has loads of maths functions, websites such as Reddit, and for gaming. It's also a nice language for kids and beginners into the world of programming, as it's human readable and quite concise. In this video, we're going to get everything set up, so we're good to go with some coding in the next video. It's worth noting that this is specifically for Windows devices. First of all, we need to install Python, the programming language that we're going to use. So if you just type Python into Google, it should come up first, and then go to the download section and download the version for Windows. You also need to install Java, which is the programming language used by Minecraft. Next, we need to download a script to help us communicate with Minecraft. Head to Adventures in mcpi.minecraft.io and download the script for Windows. Next, extract it and move it to your desktop. Finally, if you don't already have Minecraft installed, go to the Minecraft website and download the Minecraft Java edition. Now go to your desktop where you installed the scripts we needed for Minecraft, click on Server and then click on Start. These scripts which we're using to communicate with Minecraft only work with Minecraft version 1.12. So now let's open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, then click on New, type in 1.12 and select the version 1.12 and click Create, and then click Play. So you now should have the Minecraft server script running and Minecraft. In Minecraft, select Multiplayer, then Direct Connect, and for the server address, type in localhost, and then connect. So now let's write a sample program to check that it's working. So if you search for Python IDLE and open that up and create a new file by clicking on File, New File, then save that as Hello World in the folder on your desktop where the Minecraft server is. Now let's write some code. First of all, we're going to import the Minecraft library. And then we're going to connect to our Minecraft game. Now to post a message to our game, we're going to post Hello World as is traditional with programming tutorials. I will also put what you need to type in the description. To run this program, click Run and then Run Module. So you now should see Hello World in your Minecraft game. Woohoo! So that was a basic introduction on how to get going with Python and Minecraft on Windows. In the next video in this series, we'll be having a little bit more fun and doing some more coding. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.